Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faurnia Lestari. I come from English Education Department in 4th semester. Here I want to tell you about qualitative research and quantitative research. And I will start by qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative research is a term from various interpretive philosophical orientations, and quantitative research is the process of finding knowledge that use data in the form of number as a tool of analyzing information about what is known. And then, differences in qualitative and quantitative research are always associated with differences. Quantitative research. Research in the form of number data collection is measure or test. And qualitative research is the form of word data collection is observation. Although the differences is not in the method or technique but at the paradigm level. To find out these differences, you must understand the paradigm underlying this type of research. And then the next is the differences between qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative, based on assumption. Social facts have objective reality variable can be identified. And B, based on the objective. Generalization, prediction. And C, based on the approach. Using formal instrument, reducing data into form of number. And then qualitative research. A, based on assumption. Reality is sociality constructed complex variable in that we need difficult to measure. B, based on the objective contextualization, interpretation, and then C, based on the approach, the researcher is main instrument using minimal number. And then the next is characteristic of qualitative research. Natural arrangement. In qualitative research, it is used so that there is no manipulation by the researcher. And then human instrument. In this case, because real data is needed, researcher must be directly involved in the field. And the next is purposive sampling. Researcher can choose data sources according to the researcher's topic. And the next is characteristic of quantitative research. A, instrument for data collection. In this study data, instrument in the form of written tests, questionnaires, and observation column were assisted by stationery. And data can be observed and measured. In quantitative research, data analysis uses a mathematical process called statistical procedure. And the next is the number of subjects is many. The more subject, the more valid the data. And then the last is implementation of qualitative research. Preparatory phase. Make content with the gatekeeper researcher to make initial content with people related to the researcher. And collect and record data. Observation and activity that aim to gain an understanding of something observed. And then interview. Used to obtain information from sources. Document analysis, evaluation process with existing document. And then analysis data. Observer can directly evaluate it in place. Okay, thank you. This is about qualitative and quantitative research. Hopefully can useful for us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.